quest for electronics at PC Quest. Technology working together.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Honest Abe with PC Quest, and today we will be unboxing a Lenovo Yoga 730 13IKB laptop. So let's just dive right in and check it out. Pretty sleek box, I must say. Stylish. I like it. All right, so we've got this black protective sleeve here. Very nice. Get your black protective sleeve. Slide the laptop out. Oh, very nice. Yoga. Yoga pads are excellent laptops. I'm a huge fan of the Lenovo brand itself. We sell quite a few Lenovo laptops. Trustworthy brand, dependable. We see very few of these come in for maintenance work here at PC Quest, so that's a pretty big thing. And let's see, if I keep looking in the box here, we've got some instructions, basic stuff here. Got your power cord, pretty standard here. All right, what's this? Oh, it's a neat little box. That's pretty nice. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so we've got the other side of our power block here. Pull it out of the bag. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's let's see, it's a 65 watt charger. It's going to get a lot of juice to this laptop. So let's just keep going here. See what else we got in the box. All right. Yeah, instruction booklet. Very nice, some basic stuff. Overall, I'm impressed with the boxing of this laptop. Slick, simple, compact. You know, all things that you are hoping to get whenever you pull it out of the box. It makes you feel even better about your purchase. Now let's dive into the actual laptop itself. Very small, portable, cool little yoga emblem here. Let's see, open up. Of course, you've got your protective sleeve here. Beautiful, beautiful. See that? Very slick, very nice, classy. It's got a 13.3 inch screen. This specific model has a i5-8250U processor, which the CPU benchmark on that is 7676. It's very good. Quality CPU for sure, you know, something you can depend on. And that's a very important thing that we point out to our customers and any of our clients. We always make sure to tell them exactly what they're getting in a laptop. You know, the CPU benchmark is crucial, and very few people, especially big box stores, will not mention anything about that because they don't want you to know the truth. But we're open and honest here at PC Quest. We have nothing to hide. We want to sell excellent products, and our customers trust us. That's why they keep coming back. So if I keep inspecting this over here, it looks like we got a fingerprint reader. Very nice. Very useful. All right. And the screen, I like how it covers, you know, it's got a very thin trim going along the edge here. So you get as much screen as possible without taking up a bunch of space that's unnecessary, you know, all video. See on the side here, the ports, you've got USB-C, you've got a Thunderbolt connector there, you've got your headphone jack. Let's see, very simple. This has got excellent battery life as well. 4-cell lithium-ion battery. Then you've got your USB on the side and your power button as well, keeping it very simple. Great for the business clients who are on the go, students who want to be able to easily transport, you know, all of their school books and everything else they have to haul around all day. Without taking up too much space, something you can whip out, You don't have to worry about it dying quickly on you. This has 8 gigabytes of RAM, which we always recommend at least 8 gigabytes nowadays for the technology that we're dealing with. It's also got a 256 gigabyte solid state hard drive, which is important to note. Solid state hard drives are what's happening now. They're 10 to 20 times faster than your standard hard drive. And so you definitely want to go solid state. If you've ever dealt with the older style hard drive and then you get a solid state machine, you'll never go back. It will change you. But anyway, my overall feels that I'm getting from this unboxing is I love it. I'm a huge fan. I got big hands myself, but this is an excellent portable laptop, something that you can trust and depend on. I've heard nothing but excellent things from Yoga, that specific model itself. I think it would be an excellent choice for really anybody who's looking for something that they can depend on, that's going to last them a lot longer than many standard laptops you see out there nowadays. So it's got my approval. Check it out. If you're interested in something lightweight, that has a strong battery life, that's fast, reliable, that you can take with you on the go, the Lenovo Yoga is it. That's where it's at. So go out and get you one today. Until next time, this is Honest Abe at PC Quest. Have a good one, guys.